Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's recipe is dry fruits kheer. It is very healthy kheer recipe. In this recipe we didn't add any sugar or jaggery. Let's start the recipe. Take 12 seedless dates, 1/4 cup of almonds, 3 or 4 walnuts and half cup of milk. Soak for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, blend all the dry fruits along with the milk into a fine paste. After blending, the dry fruits paste looks like this. Take pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee, 2 tablespoons of crushed cashews, 2 tablespoons of crushed almonds and 2 tablespoons of raisins. Roast them in a low flame. You can chop cashews and almonds and can roast them. Kids won't prefer to eat almonds and cashews, so I usually crush them. Now in the same pan add 3 cups of milk. Cook on medium heat. Let it cook until the quantity of the milk reduces to half. Make sure it should not burn. In between, mix it. After 15 minutes, the milk reduces into half. Now switch off the flame and add grinded dry fruits paste. You should switch off the flame at this consistency, or else if once cooled, the consistency of this kheer becomes thick. Make sure there should not be any lumps in it. Now add 1 tablespoon of ghee, roasted nuts and 3 crushed cardamoms and mix well. More sweet recipes are given in the description box. Please watch it. Very tasty dry fruits kheer is ready. The sweetness for this recipe is from the dates which we added. If you want this kheer with more sweetness, add jaggery powder at this stage and mix well. You can serve hot or even you can refrigerate and serve as a dessert. This kheer is much tastier when it is cooled. Try the recipe and let me know your feedback in comments. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.